Okay guys, we're gonna wrap the gutter around right here. We're gonna come around 5 feet around the corner. That way we give clearance for the fence. So I want the gutter right around here. I'm gonna drop down, bring it around the corner, wrap it around here. In this valley, I want a 2 foot by 2 foot on each side splash guard. They have a lot of heavy water overflow right here. Wrap the gutter around, bring the gutter around the back. Same thing on this side. You can see where they got rocks and stuff trying to divert it, but there's a huge amount of water coming over. So 2 foot and 2 foot with a splash guard there. Bring it around here and on the side, wrap it right before you get to these 3 boxes. Should be right around the 5 foot, same as the other side. Bring it down and just put a small run out, like maybe 12 inches on the downspout end. And that way it gives a fence clearance on both sides. So downspout, there's a corner. Bring it around here with 2 splash guards, 1 on each of these seams. And then running around 5 feet on the other side. And that's it.